Hey, welcome to another 60-second scripting tutorial. This is going to be on stopping your players resetting. So we're going to create a local script in starter player scripts, and all we're going to do is we're going to say local player equals game players local player, which is the player who owns the script, and then we're going to say we're going to say player character added connect function, and the argument is going to be, so the past argument is going to be character. And then we're going to say local humanoid equals character wait for child humanoid, and what this will do is we'll wait for the humanoid of the character, and all we have to do is change the humanoid's name. So I'll just call it to humanoid without a capital H, and this will work just as well, but you can name it anything you want. And now when I play the game and I try to reset, you can see it doesn't work. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you liked the video.